Hi there. Here's little, what was her name? Daisy? I can't remember your name. Hi. She's still a little skittish. She wanted to hiss at me. Hi. Okay, and the tower is on its side because this little guy wanted to jump off of it. Hi. This is Cricket. Hi, Cricket. Hold on. I'm going to feed Cricket. What did I do? Oh, there we go. I got this treat for Cricket. Squeeze a little out. Hey, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Let's give this guy a little bit. She is such a sweetie. Hold on. Let's get some treat out here for you. Come on. Yeah. You're a good little kitty. Yummy. We want you to get fat. You got diarrhea. And we don't want you to be dehydrating. Okay. You are such a good kitty. I'm going to let you get the yucky medicine out of your mouth. Come here. There's some on the rug. You're my little sweetie. Hi.